speeches all the time have been really, really good. Social care, in particular, is one of our key areas in the City Council that we really need to get better at. And it's the sort of things I was listening to today around the integration agenda and trying to get more NHS and local commissioning done together. It's the kind of thing that I really think is going to improve the lives of citizens in the city that I live and represent, and those are the kind of things that I think are going to benefit us in the future.
Well, this morning I thought it was a really interesting perspective from local government around funding, about the proposed changes to funding that the LGA leadership board have come up with, and discussions from Tony Travis as to whether that's going to work or not, talking about the problems that different councils have with the funding regime that we've got. So we had some interesting perspectives from Buckinghamshire and then from Durham. So there was, a good contrast there of views. The general willingness, though, that we are going to be able to, come up to scratch and meet these targets that we're being set from government. But what's going to be happening in the future is a huge worry. And then after that, I was listening to Angela Rippon and Joan Bakewell talking about dementia and social care and the future of social care, and the concern that we need to make sure that fewer people fall into the social care area by keeping them healthier in the communities. And my portfolio is culture and communities, and so a lot of the work that we do, like libraries for example, it's not just a book swap, it's also a place where people can socialise and get out and get information, and that's part of keeping healthy as well as our other cultural offers. So we're not just doing this so people can have fun, but because it keeps people healthy as well. And I think that's a really important message that I knew already, but this conference has helped endorse my view on that.
I think it is clearly true. I think we know at local government level we are heading for a funding crisis. The big issue is whether central government of all political parties will actually realise that and actually take notice and do something about it. And I think particularly in the social care aspect, that's where the biggest gap in all is appearing. I think it's going to be crucial that it's addressed over the next few years.